Hi guys, here is our second video on another topic. As you are able to see the title, India proposes to create a bad bank. So without any further ado, let's get started. Before learning about the bad bank, let's get to know some basic funders about the banking sector. All the bad bank issue revolves around the NPAs. What is NPA? Non-performing asset. NPA are the securities of the loan borrower who has stopped paying either the interest or the principal for a consecutive of 3 months. Those assets are termed to be as NPAs and persons are to be named as defaulters. What is the current scenario of NPAs in India? The impact of COVID-19 and the associated policy response is likely to result in an additional ₹67,000 crore of debt from the top 500 debt-heavy private sector borrowers turning delinquent between FY21 and FY22, according to a report by India Ratings and Research, INRA. This is over and above the ₹54,000 crore anticipated prior to the onset of the pandemic, taking the cumulative quantum to ₹421,000 crore, the report said. What is a bad bank in layman's terms? The concept of a bad bank is not novel but came to prominence during the global financial crisis between 2007 and 2009. In such a scenario, banks are required to separate their bad assets from their good assets transparently, allowing them to raise capital by debt or equity issues. The bad loans or toxic assets are transferred to the bad bank, which focuses on turning them around and maximizing recovery. Now let's get into the issue of bad bank. A bad bank will be set up as mentioned in the budget session of FY21-FY22. It will have the power to purchase bad loans from banks at the market price. It acts as an aggregator of all the stressed assets in the banking system. This will allow the banks to clear their balance sheets and improve their fundraising capabilities. While the bad bank focuses on the resolution of bad loans, regular banks will be able to focus on bringing in new business. Where did the idea emerge to set it up in India? In May 2020, industry lobby the Indian Banks Association, IBA, had come with the idea of such a bank. This was based on an idea proposed by a panel on faster resolution of stressed assets in public sector banks headed by former PNB chairman Sunil Mehta. There were talks about creating a bad bank in 2018 too, but it never took shape. What is the structure of bad bank? The bad bank will be a two-tiered institution. Tier 1 consists of Asset Reconstruction Company, ARC, which would be backed by the government. Tier 2 consists of Asset Management Company, AMC, which would be backed by both government and private bodies. So as we got to know the info about the bad bank, let's also know about the benefits of creating it. Creating a bad bank helps banks or financial institutions clear off their balance sheets by transferring the bad loans and focus on its core business lending activities. Large debtors have many creditors. Hence, bad bank could solve the coordination problem, since debts would be centralized in one agency. It can effect speedier settlements with borrowers by cutting out individual banks. It can drive a better bargain with borrowers and take more stringent enforcement action against them. It can raise money from institutional investors rather than looking only to the government. A coin has two sides. In the same way, there are some issues for creating bad bank also. The bad bank will require significant capital to purchase stressed loan accounts from public sector banks. The chances of private participation are low unless investors are allowed a major say in the governance of the new entity. Bad bank will not address more serious corporate governance issues plaguing public sector banks that led to the NPA problem. Setting up a new institution would be very time-consuming. Challenges on its ownership structure as well as the pricing of bad loans taken over from banks. Thank you for watching the video. If you are 2022, please do join our Telegram channel mentioned in the description box, as we have something special planned for you.